Okay, it's the hoop house update, and I've removed most of them because it's been a lot warmer these days. It's been in the high 70s. And let's see what we've got. We have some weeds. What else is new? But there it is right there. Swiss chard. There's a whole bunch of them. Doing pretty well. I'm on this row. Not too shabby. Not too shabby at all. And it looks like the temperature is going to stay pretty temperate. So I'm not going to worry about it too much. We had some cold nights while these plants were coming up. And I'm pretty happy with how they've done. They're pretty healthy. This is black-seeded Simpson right here. Doing quite well. And the added benefit of the hoop houses is it keeps the rabbits away. Although I think the rabbits are too big to get through the holes in the fence now. So I'm just going to give everybody a good drink. If it wasn't going to be 80 degrees tomorrow and close to 60 at night tonight, I might not do this. I might wait until the morning so that when the sun comes up, it gets a chance to dry out. So it doesn't take much to do this. Like I said in an earlier video, you can see the underside of the hoop house there. And it's not officially a hoop house, it's more like a fence house. But yeah, I just cut sections of fencing that I wasn't using. The garden isn't going to be getting any bigger, so I'm not going to worry about saving it. Even if I do make the garden bigger, I can always clip these with the bolt cutters and you know, twine them together. But in the meantime, I have a nice little resource to extend the life of the garden, and I do need to get some more hay, or straw rather. I always say hay. So everybody should be good. That's pretty decent watering, and that's enough for seedlings, and they should be pretty happy in here tonight. And I think tomorrow it's supposed to be sunny, and when the sun comes out, they should do very, very well.